Uh, Friends, today in this video, I want to talk about dating in present time. What is the situation of dating presently? And I think if you look at it a little consciously, you will find that in today's world, in 2020, the whole game of dating is messed up. See, friends, there are only two ways you can get love from women. You either have looks or you have too much of money. In countries like India, girls put men in three categories. If you have looks, she will make you her friends only. If you have money, which you are ready to spend on her, obviously, uh, then only she will make you her lover. So if you have looks but no money, then be ready to get into her friend zone. And if you don't have either of them, no money, no looks, then sorry, you don't exist for them. In other developed countries like USA, the story is little different because girls there are a little more frank than what they are in countries like India. So there, if you have looks, she will make you her lover. If you have money, then she will make you her provider. And even there, if you have no looks, no money, then again, sorry, my friend, you don't exist for them there also. But even after that, there are complications. See, friends, there used to be time when women used to have access to limited number of men, maybe someone from her neighborhood, or maybe someone from her school and college. But now, in 2020, because of social media and internet, she has access to n numbers of men in her mobile phone, and in addition of that she is also free and independent to do anything. And moreover, the whole mainstream, the mainstream system, the mainstream media is also with her. So now you tell me, where do you stand your chance? If you think you look good, there is always somebody looking better than you around the corner. If you think you have money, there is somebody richer than you around the corner. So now your whole relationship depends only and only on her mercy, the mercy of the girl. And if someday she feels like moving on, she will, and you will not be able to do anything. If you think your looks can stop her, then I think you also know how many good looking men are there. If you think you have money, you don't know how many guys are thirsting over a woman, ready to spend their money on them. And if you think you being nice can stop her, then that is even worst because being nice works against you. Women like bad boys, and if you are acting nice to her, she is definitely going to lose her interest in you. Now, many of you may say, what should we do now? Because we all are human, we all have human bonds. Well, see, if some of you can understand that there is no sense going for a race, such race which has such less probability of you succeeding in it and such high probability of you getting humiliated or hurt. I think the first and foremost advice is, if any of you are strong enough, just leave the race, totally give it up. That is the best thing you can do. You do not need to go after something which doesn't have big reward in it. In fact, being a businessman and a sensible person, I would personally advise this to everyone, to never invest in something where you stand such less chance of you getting good returns. It would be much better if you choose some other race which is more meaningful and worthful for your life, something which can uplift you and your whole life. Invest your time, money, and energy somewhere else where you have high guarantee of good returns. But if some of you still want to go for it, you think you want to have a taste of it, then it's okay, go and participate. But first of all, make sure to get money and looks, because then only you will stand any chance there, any chance of getting any girl. Because unless you look confident and successful, you are not going to attract any females. And afterwards, you need to understand two, three things, in fact, four things. First of all, be sport and be ready to get rejected. See, when you will start looking good and confident, you will attract girls anyways. So you may choose someone from them, or sometimes you may also get attracted towards somebody, some girl. So in that case you will have to approach the girl. However, in that case you must learn to take rejections. See friends, you win some, you lose some. That is how life is. So don't take rejections too seriously. If somebody denies your offer, it's okay, because many will. It is not like you will get every girl you will approach. Many of them will say no to you. Second, get yourself emotionally tough, get heartless, because first of all, even women don't like emotional men. They all like strong men, somebody who is made of stone. And secondly, suppose you get some girl by any chance, because the competition is already very tight these days, as I just told you. So if by luck you get any girl and you are tough and heartless, you don't attach yourself too much with your girl, and therefore even if she leaves you, you won't get hurt at all. Third, don't invest too much in her. Whatever money, time, and energy you want to invest in your girl, invest only little and in moderation. Something which you will not mind much whenever she leaves you. And because of this, whenever she leaves, you will not feel much cheated, and again, it will hurt you less. And last but not the least, don't expect her to stay with you forever. This is the worst mistake you will make, because we all are human, and human can have a change of mood, a change of mind anytime. You can't assure anybody's loyalty. After all, we all are human, we all have ambitions, aspirations, and many times compulsions also. So just never expect anybody to stay with you forever. If anybody wants to leave, be sport and just let her go. You must learn not to take any of these girls seriously, because obviously she has more options these days. You must tell yourself, no girl is ever yours, it is just your turn. No attachments, no expectations, and no big investments. If you stay with your girl with this approach, with this mindset, it won't hurt you at all. And now, before ending my video, I would like to remind you one more time, there is no sense going for the race which has such less probability of you succeeding in it, because competition is very tight, and you also cannot take 100% assurity of any human being. We all go by our mood, so you can't control anybody, you can't possess anybody, you can't own anybody, and it also does not have big reward into it, because girls don't come alone, they also bring lots of drama with them. And hence, if you can dedicate your life to something better, something more meaningful and more rewarding, then it would be much better for you. So friends, now it's your life, you decide. I'll talk to you later in some other video. Till then, hasta la vista, peace.